In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Google Workspace. Whether you're setting up a team, organizing a department, or just want an efficient way to manage email communication, creating a group can streamline your processes and improve collaboration. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. If you're not already familiar, it's the platform used for managing all the professional tools offered by Google. Once you're there, locate and click on the admin console. You might need to log in using your business email if you're not already logged in. This ensures you have the right permissions to create and manage groups. Make sure you have your login details handy, as accessing this section is vital to proceed. After logging in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Google Apps menu, a grid icon that houses all the Google services you have access to. Click on this menu and then select the admin icon. This will take you to the heart of the administrative tools where you can manage various aspects of your workspace services. Now that you're in the admin section, look for the option marked directory. Click on it and then navigate to groups. This is where you can see all the groups that have already been established within your organization, if any. To create a new group, look for a button or link that says create a group. Once you click it, you're ready to start customizing your group. Begin by providing a name for your new group. Choose something descriptive that quickly communicates the group's purpose to anyone who might interact with it. Next, you'll need to type in the group email. Think of this as the email address for your group, which members will use, and others can communicate with as needed. Further, you'll want to add a description for the group. This step, though sometimes overlooked, is essential for defining the group's purpose and can help new members understand what the group is about without needing to ask around. Now that you have the basic setup, click on Next. Here's where you can determine how open or restricted the group is. Choose the access type that aligns with your organization's needs, whether it's public, private, or something in between. After that, decide on the access settings. This will define what group members can do, such as posting or viewing past conversations, ensuring the group functions effectively according to its objectives. Once everything's set, the last step is to hit Create Group. Congratulations, you have just created a new group in Google Workspace. This group can now facilitate streamlined communication and collaboration within your organization. Remember, you can always go back and adjust settings if your needs change over time. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to leverage the power of Google Workspace groups. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.